Time check, it's 12:46 p.m. Again, please find a comfortable seat, grab a bite to eat, and make yourself comfortable. Thank you. Again, let's take a moment to express our deepest gratitude to the incredible team who are making this event possible. A huge thank you to Photoweb Shots for capturing every stunning moment, to Beach Cinematography for ensuring the memories of this event live on.
Our CDG Madam! Our round of applause, please. Alright, okay pa ba gyapon ng tanan? Dapat yun okay na for me. Okay na yun na for me, guys. I am always ready, partner. So, let's get started. Gina G. General, our organization president. A round of applause, please. Let's give a warm welcome to our esteemed CDG Vice President, Ms. Angeline May Kayan Pabro.